Welcome to this detailed walkthrough of itBit, a powerful cryptocurrency exchange designed for traders and investors who value security and efficiency. In this video, we will explore how itBit works, including its key features, supported assets, and unique benefits. Did you know that itBit offers institutional-grade services, making it a trusted platform for both beginners and seasoned traders? Stick around, and I'll show you why itBit stands out in the crowded crypto market. Start by visiting itBit's website, where you'll immediately notice its clean and intuitive design. The homepage highlights the platform's major features, such as secure wallets, efficient order execution, and compliance with regulatory standards. To get started, create your account by clicking the Sign Up button in the top right corner. Fill in your basic details, verify your email address, and secure your account with two-factor authentication for added protection. Once your account is set up, you'll gain access to a variety of trading tools. itBit supports major cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other digital assets. You can view real-time market data, analyze charts, and place orders with ease. The platform also offers an OTC desk for large volume trades, making it ideal for institutional clients. Funding your account is straightforward. Navigate to the deposit section, where you can deposit funds in cryptocurrencies or fiat currencies like USD. Once your funds are available, head to the trading interface. This area is equipped with advanced charting tools, order book displays, and various order types, such as market, limit, and stop orders. These features ensure you have the flexibility to execute your trading strategies effectively. Before we dive further, here's a quick message. Did you know that your USDTs can generate passive income? With the Nexo platform, it's easy. Just transfer your USDT to Nexo and start earning up to 12% APR with daily accruals. This is the perfect way to make your crypto assets work for you. Sign up link and bonus for new users is in the description. Returning to itBit, one standout feature is its commitment to regulatory compliance, ensuring a secure trading environment. The platform is regulated by the New York State Department of Financial Services, providing peace of mind to its users. Another feature to note is the flat and competitive fee structure, making trading affordable for users at all levels. Additionally, itBit offers robust API integrations for developers and traders seeking automated trading solutions. These APIs are perfect for scaling strategies and accessing real-time market data to maximize your experience. Don't forget to explore their educational resources. The website provides guides, FAQs, and support to help you understand trading basics and advanced features. Take action now. Sign up with my exclusive link https://lnk.do/jquucoif to receive a special bonus for new users. Explore the potential of itBit and start your crypto journey today. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe and give it a like. Turn on notifications for more tutorials and updates on the latest in cryptocurrency.